India's semiconductor industry is at the forefront of a major shift, with Semicon India 2024 conference highlighting the government's ambitious plans to make the country a global semiconductor manufacturing hub. Held from September 11th to 13th in Greater Noida, the event brought together industry leaders to discuss India's future in this critical sector. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his keynote address, emphasized the importance of supply chain resilience and detailed the government's strategic vision for the industry. One of the major takeaways from PM Modi's speech was the substantial investment commitments India has already secured, amounting to over 1.5 lakh crore rupees. These investments are a pivotal step towards making India a significant player in the global semiconductor market. The government's goal is to increase the size of electronics sector to $500 billion by the end of the decade, up from the current $150 billion. This reflects the country's ambition to become a leader in semiconductor manufacturing, positioning itself as a reliable destination for global companies looking to expand production. In his speech at the conference, the Prime Minister highlighted that India has already received significant investment commitments over 1.5 lakh crores for semiconductor manufacturing. This is a crucial step in positioning the country as a global semiconductor hub. Modi also underscored the importance of supply chain resilience, a lesson learned during the COVID-19 pandemic, when global supply chains were disrupted. Strengthening domestic production capabilities, particularly in semiconductors, is now a priority to prevent future shocks. To see an Indian-made semiconductor chip in every electronic device worldwide, this stream aligns with India's focus on becoming a vital part of the global semiconductor supply chain. The Prime Minister outlined India's 3D power, a reformist government, a robust manufacturing base, and a tech-savvy market as the foundation for India's semiconductor ambitions. These three factors, Modi said, provide a strong platform for India's semiconductor industry to thrive. Finally, Modi positioned India as a global semiconductor powerhouse, emphasizing the country's stable policies and its ability to attract and support new investments. The government is committed to fostering a favorable environment for semiconductor manufacturing through reform-oriented governance and an expanding industrial ecosystem. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw also addressed the conference, providing critical updates on the next phase of the India Semiconductor Mission (ISM), which was launched with an initial outlay of 76,000 crore in 2021. Vaishnav confirmed that the second phase, Semicon 2.0, is in its advanced stages and will be rolled out in the coming months. This phase will expand the focus beyond semiconductor fabs to include equipment manufacturing, specialized materials, and securing essential chemical supplies required by the industry. He also announced that Uttar Pradesh will soon become the fourth state in India to host a semiconductor facility, joining Gujarat, Assam, and Maharashtra, which are already approved for chip manufacturing units. Under the first phase of ISM, 5 projects have been approved by the Union Cabinet, including Tata Electronics Semiconductor Fab in Dholera, Gujarat, 3 chip packaging units by Micron, CG Power, and Kaynes Semicon, and an ATMP assembly testing, marking, and packaging unit by Tata Semiconductor in Assam. The event had a direct impact on the stock market as well. Semiconductor stocks surged with companies like SPEL Semiconductor, ASM Technologies, and RIR Power Electronics hitting their upper circuits, gaining over 5%. CG Power and Industrial Solutions saw a rise of over 4%, while MOS Chip Technologies gained 5%. These gains reflect the optimism surrounding India's semiconductor future, driven by the government's clear and strategic push for growth. The broader market, however, experienced volatility. The Nifty 50 index fell by 0.50%, closing below the 25,000 mark, while the Sensex dropped by 0.53%. Market analysts cited profit booking and concerns over the upcoming US inflation report as contributing factors, but the outlook for semiconductor stocks remains strong amid the government's renewed focus on this sector.